Day 43, a lot later check-in today because we've been busy on site checking in stuff and liaising over meetings. Yeah, guys are cracking on with the wall. Sorry about the wind, I'm sure there's loads of it, so sorry if you can't hear me. The wall itself is taking shape and the guys down there doing the other end. All over the back is pretty much nearly ready with concrete lorries en route, so hopefully they're going to get the rebar sorted and everything's done. The guys at the back are finishing the wall here as well. Technically they're pouring concrete down the actual holes where the rebar is concerned, and then they'll probably extend the footing element here and here today. That seems to be the main concentration at the moment. Then once that's done and they're up, plastered and sealed, then we can start talking about potentially getting this slab emptied of material and start boxing it out and start getting ready for the footings and the foundations. So we really want to be making sure that everything's rebarred, set out, and we're ready to pour a week Monday. So we need to get the levels over there compact tested and filled, and we need to get all the setting out done. So that's going to be the aim for today. We can get that done, keep on plan. Other than that, pretty much business as usual. Hopefully that cloud will hold off. So that's where we are so far. Checking in, short one for today because I've not been around a lot. So boss is here all day, orchestrating. Walls are going up. Walls are getting taller. Front garden wall, concrete's turned up. So the footings are now done over there, which I'll show you in a second, and they're finished off the footings on the right hand side there as well. So that wall's coming up, this wall's coming up, and the foundations over there are pretty much done as well. So we'll have a quick look in a minute to see see what that looks like. In fact, we should do it now. Let's have a quick look. Let's have a quick pictures. More water in the water lock hole. Looking good. My wife turned up today, which is amazing. My kids and my wife, it was lovely to see them. I wasn't allowed to touch them because they were quarantined. I saw them at the airport, said hello, gave them a call in the van. And now hopefully tonight they'll get their PCR test so I can go and see them tonight, which would be amazing. Absolutely amazing. Anyway, here's the hole. Stepped as well. This across, that's nice and straight. Sorry about the wind. There's everywhere. A bit drop there, but hopefully it'll straighten up. Straighten out the blocks. Okay, looks good. That should still be able to. We're going to take the fence out. Get the berm going down there as well, so that should go up against the concrete wall, which should work out absolutely perfect for Alan next door. We did have like you see like a little moat going around there, and the water would go down there towards the well, and that would help that happen. So that's worked out absolutely perfect. Good stuff. Right. Okay, so that is that part. I'm going to tread on the nails because I've got flip-flops on. Not exactly health and safety. Yeah, so, and the next stage really is getting this floor sorted out. So we've got to try and work out what's going wrong with the floor. Let's work out whether it's actually compacted or not. Does it need digging up? Is it okay? Do we then put more marl on top of it and compound it again? Basically we need it all one level. So we need this level here, obviously same level as the swimming pool area, and then obviously we've got the one at the back as well. So on that note, I need to tell the guys what the engineer said about what we're doing with the height. So, anyway, so that's it so far. Going to be wrapping up in a minute anyway. So, day 42 was it? Or 43? Can't remember. Coming to a close. 4:30. Let's have a quick look at the pit here whilst we're here. So we have to move the electrics, but basically the footing will come to here, and hopefully it should just go to the right hand side of the telegraph. Yes, it is. That's what should happen, hopefully. so that's it for the day. So check in soon.